Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this video I am going to explain how to import our WordPress file using all-in-one WordPress migration plugin. Well, first you have to enter to the settings of your WordPress. Click on import. Here you have to click on import from, then you have to click on file. Here you have to select your WordPress file to import. Then you have to click on open. Now you have to click on here. And then you have to click on here. And we click on save changes. Then we click on finish. Now you have to go to your site and click on refresh. And here you will see that now your WordPress is already migrated. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. In the next video, I am going to explain how to add our website to Google Search Console. Remember to subscribe to not miss my next video. Here there is another video that might like you. I hope you have an excellent day. Bye.